All right, so Todd, you've been here. Y'all been great supporters of the Metal Training Institute and the Furnaces North America show. And what are some of the things you're hearing out there from the commercial and the captive heat treaters on just technology in general, things that they're really struggling and challenged with?
Yeah, well, it's sort of the, we've been hearing this for a number of years now. It's just getting information out to the people out on the shop floor and to the customers in a timely fashion and having current data. So if something changes about the way these parts have to be processed, maybe parts came out too soft and you have to adjust their tempering temperature, they can do that and communicate it out on the floor quickly. That's what they're looking for, is to try to improve their quality by making sure the parts are done properly the first time. And that way they can dramatically improve the throughput of their organization and get more capacity, because they're not wasting capacity reprocessing parts.
Right. Now, the efficiencies and the throughput, talk a little bit about, I know your organization, it's internet-based, mobile. I mean, are y'all mobile? Are you giving owners an opportunity to work better mobilely with the technology?
Yeah, yeah, that's a huge thing that's coming up. Obviously, a couple of years ago, the whole paradigm changed. The tablets came out, the iPhone, the iPad, smartphones, Android-based tablets, and that just changed the game. I mean, it's a total game changer in every industry. And so now the key is not only communicating with your employees, but also with your customers in real time, and allowing anywhere, anytime access to this kind of data. So, for instance, you might be out at a trade show, like perhaps MTI, Furnaces North America, which, you got to come to this, right? If you're not coming, you got to come here, right? This is where all the movers and shakers are here. So anyways, you're at Furnaces North America, you're an owner of a commercial shop, and you get a customer, frantic, calls you and says they lost a certification for these parts and they got to get it right away. Well, you just pull out your smartphone, couple taps, you can just resend them the certification, and you don't have to get anyone else involved. So to have that kind of access to that kind of data and the flexibility to respond to market demands like that, I mean, it really puts any kind of a shop way ahead of the competition, and that's the name of the game. It's mobile. I mean, that's where everything is going.
Now, past mobile, looking at technology, what are a couple of other trends or technology changes you see on the shop floor with technology that helps them manage their processes better?
Again, it's all key to getting information in a timely, accurate, precise, and instantaneous. And it's moving away from shops that are progressive. In the past would have maybe some fixed workstations sitting out on the shop floor, and those are kind of expensive because of the containers they have to be in, the enclosures they're in, and they're fixed, so people have to walk to them. So now it's kind of getting the mobile aspect, taking tablets. You can have iPads or any kind of Android-based tablet like Samsung. They make hard shell cases, very durable. Matter of fact, the military uses these things out in desert, out in Afghanistan and Iraq, and so they're very durable. And so for about $85, you can ruggedize a tablet or a smartphone and make it pretty usable on the shop floor.
So can we make heat treat any more rugged?
Unfortunately, no.
So specifically with throughput and Bluestreak, anything you haven't said that you would say, here's something that's really cool that we're doing or on the cusp of doing to help heat treaters, whether captive or commercial, just be better in their operations?
Well, we've prided ourselves in staying current with technology, computer technology and software technology. And we made a decision right from the get-go back in 2006 that we knew where this market was going, and was going away from what we call fat applications that have to be installed on every computer that would run them, and moving it towards browsers. So really the browser is our operating system. Therefore, we can run in a single code base. We can run on a fixed workstation, we can run on a tablet, we can run on a smartphone, we can run on a Kindle or a Nook e-reader, because that's just an Android operating system. So we leverage HTML5 and keep current with the trends. And by doing that, we automatically our applications available on all these devices. So the anywhere, anytime access is just sort of part of what we do. And that's really a big differentiator. No one else is doing that yet, which is kind of surprising.
Well, I know I speak for the members on the board. Throughput's always been a great supporter of MTI, and we appreciate you coming out here and really being a part of this show, and thank you for all the expertise that you're giving our members to help them be more effective in their businesses. Thank you for your time.
You're very welcome. We get more out of this than we give, believe me.
That's great. I appreciate that. Thanks a lot, Todd.